Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In my tips and tricks video earlier this week, I showed you how to wrap chipboard and products with craft paper, but mentioned it could tear, like right here, especially when you're using cheap craft wrapping paper like I am. There's two ways you can fix it. You can use masking tape or a book tape, anything like that. Once you put it on and then cover it with paper, no one notices. I, however, am using vinyl. I like how it looks. It, to me, says finished book because a lot of times when you get a book, there's always a different color spine. And that's what this reminds me of. I'm just trying my best to find the center so I can have equal parts on both sides. It never works. Doesn't matter how hard I try. I also rarely put it on straight. So what I did was triple the size of the spine. This spine is 1.5, so I cut this at 4.5 inches, and then the length of the spine was 7, and I cut it to 9, so I can wrap the top and the bottom around the journal, as you'll see when I lay this down kind of in the middle. I do this with a lot of books. You'll see it in my upcoming journal that I'm making. I like to do this. I like the look. Usually I like a matte. I don't have any black matte left. I only have this. So that is my video today. I know this is a quick one. I don't think that it needed to be anything super in depth. And I really hope that you have learned something from this. And if you would like more tips and tricks videos, let me know what you would like a tip or a trick for down below in the comments. Let me know also if you're going to implement this method. And like I said, you can get the craft wrapping paper at Dollar Tree. I think it's Jot brand. But if you can find it somewhere else, a little bit better quality, get that. Better quality does not rip like this cheaper stuff does. So thanks for joining me today. Please like this video, subscribe, and yeah, you have a great day.